the next term is non-farm activities. So, all those activities which are done outside the farm, that is besides farming, are called as non-farm activities. It could be transport, it could be having a shop, it could be doing something else, is in fact the non-farm activities. This is also performed by the villagers themselves. Next is Green Revolution. The word suggests Green Revolution. That is a modernization, a revolution which occurred in the production of food grains during the year 1967 and 68 is termed as Green Revolution. It in fact changed the face of so many villages in India. The production increased many folds and people actually started having a decent standard of living after the Green Revolution. Now, let's talk about the village Palampur. It is in fact the story, as I said, of all the villages in India. It's a typical village of India, and Palampur is well connected with other neighboring villages and towns. The biggest or the big village around Palampur is Raiganj, and there is a good connectivity between Raiganj and Palampur. Then the nearest town to the village Palampur is Shahpur, and on the road you see the old methods of transportation like bullock carts, tongas, but you also see the modern means of transportation, that is the auto rickshaws, and you also see the motorcycles. But most of the bullock carts and the tongas generally carry jaggery to the nearest town or the village for sale. There are total 450 families living in the village Palampur, and 80 families are of the upper caste who have a better standard of living than the rest of the villagers. That is, they have good pakka houses. 1/3 of the villagers or the village families consists of the Dalits. The condition or the living condition of the Dalits is not very appealing, as these people live in houses made of mud and straw, which clearly indicates the differentiation in their economic standards. Electricity is there in most of the houses, and in the farms they have tube wells, so it is a village with electricity. The school also boasts of 2 primary and secondary school. There is a health center also in the village. Besides farming, manufacturing, transportation and shopkeeping are the other economic activities of the village Palampur. So that's the sweet village Palampur, which in fact, as I said, is the mirror of all the villages in India.